Look at this cash burn. Literally, you think your money is safe in the bank? Think again. BlackRock boss Larry Fink warns that keeping your cash in a bank account is slowly destroying your wealth. Look at charts. Market rises, but cash in bank rots. Inflation steals purchasing power every second. Keeping money in savings kills wealth. Move cash to investments now before value hits zero. BlackRock controls $10 trillion. That is massive power. When Larry Fink speaks, world leaders listen. His latest warning will shake global markets to their core. You cannot ignore this giant. Wall Street warns of a crash, so you hide cash in the bank. Big mistake. Inflation eats that wealth, guaranteed. Damned if you risk it, dead if you play safe. Choose your poison. Wall Street screams buy, but local bankers scream run. One side promises massive gains, the other fears total collapse. Who do you trust when the system starts to crack? The clock is ticking. Look at your cash. Over decades, inflation grinds that paper dollar into absolute dust. But look here. The stock market did the exact opposite, climbing higher and higher. Your money must grow or it dies. Look at chart. Every crash looks like end of world, but market always recovers. Cash feels safe, but inflation destroys value. Growth wins. History proves this. Do not hide money, invest. Watching your savings melt feels safe compared to market drops, but hiding in cash is a trap. You trade temporary peace of mind for guaranteed long-term ruin. Survival requires facing the red. Look at screen. Cash sits in savings, dying. Tap button, move money to index fund. Inflation burns wealth every second. This quick tap fights back. Stop losing, start winning now. Your bank balance shrinks daily while the market climbs. Inflation slowly steals your hard-earned cash. Stop the bleeding. Shift that dying paper into index funds. Make your money work for you before it vanishes. Look here, 30 years pass. Bank cash rots from inflation. Index fund explodes from compound interest. One choice makes you poor, other makes you rich. Where you put your money. Watch screen, $5. Every week, auto sent to index fund. No think, no wait. Silent, unstoppable wealth build while you sleep. Tiny tap change your entire financial future forever. Narration script write. Show wealth gap. Read text, look at the screen. One man saves pennies, watching inflation eat them. The other taps his phone, starts auto-investing, and watches his wealth grow. Same time, different choices. Which side are you on? Look at screen. One tap starts auto-invest. Instantly, you freeze inflation devouring hard-earned cash. Stop watching savings melt. Take control of money now. Your future self will thank you for this choice. Your cash is rotting in a dusty vault, losing value every single second. Meanwhile, the market is climbing to new heights. Will you let your money die in the bank or start investing today?